Indios Verdes, cable cars, Mexico City. We fly high, so high, past the sky. Come on, let's get on the cable cars. It's 7 pesos.
Karen, adelante, 10 personas por cabina. Utilizar el abordaje, por favor.
Okay, we are in the cable car. Indios Verdes. This takes us all the way to the castle at the top of the hill. Now, the cable car was built in 1967 by no other than Benito Juarez himself. And he built it so that the people, he wanted to make the traffic a little bit lighter, you know. You can go one on this one. Go one, uno, yeah. So he built this to make traffic a little bit lighter so that the people wouldn't be stuck and they could just get back to their house real fast with like an airplane but not an airplane because it's a cable car. This is the fastest way to travel in the city of Mexico. If you just look at the view behind me, check out the views real quick. Yeah, let me get it. I want to get this view. But yeah, man. So you get a great overlook of this city. You get to see. You're kind of like the big boss in the heavens. You're almost like, you know, Jesus himself, because you're in the heavens. You can still look down on the people. You can see what they're doing. You know, just the other day. Just the other day,